Okay, so in this video I want to talk about theming a bit more. So if you want to create your own unique theme, there is actually a tool that you can do that with. So say you want to change the colors of, say, the borders and your text color, but it has to be a very unique color. Then there is a tool for that. So let's just go to my notes. So that tool is actually called Fimix, old name Oomox. Right, so to install that, you just say yay-s themix-full-git anyway, and then there is all the needed files to actually help it on its way. Yeah, so you just install that, and then you can actually theme away. But I would actually suggest install Papirus as well. It's a nice icon theme that goes well with Fimix. So it's the one that I'm using now. Right, and then if you don't have NWG-Look, which doesn't come with as default on a new Arch install, as far as I know. So what NWG-Look is just a theme changer basically. So let me just show you quickly. Well, let's take my notes away. Right, so the NWG-Look is called GTK settings. As soon as you put them in a menu, it's called that. So NWG-Look here in the corner. So basically just you have default themes and you can change your theme to whatever. So as you can see, I had whiter, very like basic theme. There's eye contrast, my goodness. And then just a bunch of, okay, these are my created themes. So this is basically what it is. So this is in the in the widgets section. So here you change your whole theme of your desktop. If you only want to change your icon themes, you can go here and you can just change your icon themes. As you can see, the folders change as or you can choose what colors you want for your icons. And then obviously the mouse cursor, I'm using the Babata Modern Classic, is this one. And there's a few default ones obviously that you can check out here. So this is your theme changer. It's just a nice app and very convenient to use. Otherwise you have to do everything in command line. It's a bit tough. So let's close this and then let me show you. Oh wait, let me just check my notes again. So yeah, it's Fimix. So I would install Fimix, Papirus icon theme, and then the NWG-Look theme, NWG-Look app. Anyway, let's open the NWG or the Fimix app. There it is. So once installed, I don't know how to make this dark mode. I've tried actually, but it didn't want to work, so I don't know. It is horribly white. It doesn't really have settings where you can set it. You're gonna have to go into GTK and stuff like that, or I'm doing something stupid again. But yeah, this is a very nice program if you want to make your own theme. So here is my papyrus green theme. So it takes, I've taken this background colors and incorporated into that. So what you can do is, if you have a nice wallpaper and you want to use that specific colors, to use it on your menus, your borders, as you can see, it's got a little preview. If it gets applied, it will show you a little preview how it would look. There's the button, the text, your folder colors, and so on. So if you want a specific color from a wallpaper, you go to import. Oh, it's very light. And then you can see there's Oomox color file, and then the second one is colors from image. You just click that and then you can choose your image. Okay, just a little glitch. I had to open Fimix with my terminal. So you just type in Fimix GUI and it opens it, and it actually opens it in dark mode. So hilarious. Anyway, I was busy with importing an image. So just go to import colors from image file. Okay, and then you choose any of your pictures. So let's just import that one. So it imports that image, and now it actually fills all the colors with that specific image. It's so cool. You don't actually have to do anything. It uses as it see fits. You know, if it needs to highlight text, it would automatically use lighter text, and backgrounds obviously use darker colors. So pretty cool. Right, so then you can still fine tune it if you want to. If you, okay, there's theme colors, and then there is, where's the icon set? Yeah, icon set. So you can actually change the icon style. This one is set on gnome colors. Gnome, as you can see here, it looks pretty cool. It's got a two-tone color, but you can use, there's an arch droid, and it will look very basic, but still cool. And then there's papyrus, which I'm using now, and so on and so forth. So let's use arch droid. It changes everything. So this is how your desktop will look when after this theme is applied. Right, so I'm just gonna leave it at that, and then I'm gonna export a theme. So you just go here to export theme. You don't have to click anything there, and then it will give you a default name. You can change the name there if you want, and the path, and then yeah, just apply it. Well, don't change the path, it has to be in that theme folder. Just change the name, apply and export, and once this is exported, you will see it in NWG. Let's see if we can pick it up now in NWG or GTK settings. There it is, Oomox doorway JPEG. As you can see, this is how it would look. So freaking cool. I mean, isn't that just cool? So now it won't apply to the icons, only to the theme. So let's close that. So when it comes to icons, you have to click here, export icons. So it's a separate action. So now the icons is obviously your folders, and if you have a taskbar, those type of icons will be set. Okay, so let's open GTK settings again. Icon theme, and there's the doorway, and there it changes it to was it that arch droid brownish color, taking the color from that specific picture. So fucking cool. Oh, I was trying to see if I can change the mouse cursor to the picture color, but yeah, I couldn't get it to work really. But yeah, this is pretty cool. So yeah, if you want a very specific color, then you can fine tune it here. You can even make the boxes round. Where is that now? Yeah, theme options. So the roundness, you know, the windows, gradients, spacing, all that stuff in here. It's so cool. It's even got a Spotify section. I don't know why. They probably have some agreement with Spotify, I suppose. But yeah, that is Fimix. Let me see if that was all. So yeah, just install Fimix, fine tune. You can import a picture and take the colors from that, or you can just choose one of these presets and change the colors and make your own theme. And then install NWG-Look to actually change your theme, and that is basically that. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about this pretty awesome tool that you can use. So yeah, like and subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you later.